The U.S. Department of Defense announced a significant milestone in hemispheric defense relations following a strategic meeting between U.S. Secretary of Defense Pete Hegseth and Argentina's Minister of Defense Luis Petri at the Pentagon. The high-level dialogue centered on tightening military cooperation and tackling mutual security challenges across South America. Secretary Hegseth lauded Argentina's aggressive pursuit of military modernization, highlighting its recent acquisition of American-made F-16 fighter jets and Stryker armored personnel carriers. He described the move as a breakthrough that will significantly improve the operational synergy between the two nations' forces. The bilateral agreement was formally codified through the signing of Letters of Acceptance, LOAs, reinforcing a defense partnership championed by Argentine President Javier Milei and U.S. President Donald Trump. The centerpiece of the agreement includes 24 F-16AM/BM aircraft, originally used by Denmark, which are set to replace Argentina's outdated Mirage and A-4AR fleets. The introduction of these fourth-generation jets will restore Argentina's supersonic air combat capabilities, with the first units expected by December 2025 and the remainder arriving throughout 2026. Argentina's land forces are also set for a major boost with the delivery of 8 M1126 Stryker infantry carrier vehicles. Outfitted with heavy machine guns and advanced mobility systems, these NATO standard platforms are tailored for rapid deployment scenarios and signal a qualitative leap in Argentina's military readiness. Deployment of the Strykers is anticipated to begin by late 2025 or early 2026. Beyond hardware, the talks delved into broader regional security dynamics. Both nations voiced concern over increasing geopolitical interference in Latin America, particularly pointing to China's expanding influence in trade, infrastructure, and political spheres. The U.S. pledged ongoing support for Argentina across critical strategic areas such as cybersecurity, space operations, mineral resource protection, and maritime control in the South Atlantic. Minister Petri emphasized that these defense upgrades are fully aligned with President Milei's vision of re-establishing Argentina as a reliable contributor to the Western security ecosystem. The strategy not only reinforces national sovereignty but also prepares the country to participate more robustly in global peacekeeping and counterterrorism missions. This closer defense alignment marks a decisive shift in Argentina's international posture. After years of navigating various military suppliers and facing hurdles in acquiring high-grade Western systems, Argentina is now positioning itself as a dependable ally of the United States. Washington sees this transformation as a strategic pivot that strengthens the Western presence in the Southern Cone and serves as a counterweight to extra-regional actors in Latin America. The Pentagon's July 2 announcement underscores one of the most pivotal developments in U.S.-Argentina defense relations in decades. With sustained collaboration, Argentina is set to become a central figure in future joint operations and a cornerstone of regional security in the Western Hemisphere.